Hi everyone, it is Nat from Studio Hacks here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect a set of Airpods if they're not connecting to your iPhone or any other device. So if you want to see how to do that, stick around and I'll show you right now. So I had a weird situation the other day where I was opening my Airpods and they were showing up on the phone like they normally do, but for some reason I just wasn't getting audio from them and the audio was still playing through the phone. So these are the steps you need to do if they won't connect. This is how I fixed them. So what I did is you make sure you close the lid for 10 seconds. So you open it first and then close it and keep it closed for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, open the lid again. Next, you have to locate this little button. This is like the reset button or the find button. So you're going to open the lid and then hold that button down. And you see there's a little light there. So you hold it down for 10 seconds and that light should begin to, instead of just go on and off, it will then start flashing red. Now you should just be able to hold them right near your iPhone, and it's like setting them up from scratch. You just hit connect and then wait for them to connect. And when I did this, it fixed the problem for me. If you had given your Airpods a name, you won't have that name anymore. So you can actually continue, and under the settings, you can go into the Bluetooth settings, locate the Airpods from this list, hit the little I right next to it, and you can give them a new name by tapping on the top there and just entering that name. I'm going to call these Nat's Airpods. Now, if you've done what I just said and it's still not working, here are a few other things you can try. First of all, make sure that you have the latest operating system installed on your iPhone or device. The other thing that can help is when you're trying to reconnect them like I was before, is actually having them plugged in and charging at the same time. That can sometimes fix a little glitch. The other thing that might be very simple, but you might not have thought of, is that your Bluetooth might not just be switched on. So you can actually get the control center and just double check that your Bluetooth is actually on. If you had a brain fade and it was switched off, that might be why they're not connecting. Now, if you've tried all these things and it's still not working, you might have to reset your Airpods. To reset your Airpods, it's a little bit similar to the process I just did before, but you have to do it in this order. You make sure that the Airpods are in and the lid is closed. Then you plug it into your charger and make sure that they're charging, and you need to leave it on the charger for at least 30 seconds. The next thing you need to do is go into the settings on your device, into the Bluetooth settings, and find if they have the Airpods listed in there, and hit the little I right next to it, and then select forget this device. Then you just do what I did at the start of the video. You open up the lid, hold down this little button for about 10 seconds until the little light in the middle goes red. And then once it's red, you can then simply open them near the iPhone and set them up as if they were a brand new set of Airpods. So I hope after doing all these things that you are able to reconnect some Airpods that were not connecting. If you found this content valuable, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and leave a comment saying I have subscribed, and I will get back to everyone who comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.